coming. Today we are seeing another move by Simon Ekpa, a Chinese American, has signaled that he is going to get the Chinese government to support Biafra at restoration as a sovereign nation.
Because China has involved in a very difficult situation with Nigeria. Let me tell you, I believe people are seeing what I'm seeing because I envisage Chinese government seizing MMA, and it's going to be under the control of the China government. MMA, I mean, is Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Ikeja here. You know what? Over the years, right from Buhari regime, China was busy, concentrated on what? Lending trillions of naira to Nigerian government, to Nigerian clueless government under the watch of Muhammad certificateless Buhari. Yes, certificateless. Chinese government has been giving and pumping money into our system. Nigerian clueless government under Buhari could not sense the danger ahead. That time shall come, China is going to seize most of the public operation in Nigeria. I never want. Nigerian Railway Corporation is gone. National Electricity Power Authority is gone. All the international airports in Nigeria are gone. Oga, even our museum, our zoos, both states and federal zoos, reserves, game reserves in the north, Yankari, all of them gone. China is going to take over Nigeria very soon. If care is not taken, they are coming to seize all federal government shares in all the network companies, I mean GSM companies in the country. They are going to take charge until the time being when they realize actually their money. The principal is kept on increasing. Everybody knows about the mathematics of lending. Principal, interest, rates. You know that math? The simple interest, that's what is taught in those days in the school. The interest is on the high side because the principal is now untouched. And the interest is what Nigeria has been paying since. And today we got involved because of the Chinese or free Ogun State Free Trade Zone or whatever they call it under Amosu. Ibidako Amosu, Abia Amosu, Ibikunle Amosu, the man with long cap. Amosu. So now Amosu has finished his agreement with China and secretly is he not playing on against Nigeria again? Ogun State, a state with the highest number of industries, production companies in Nigeria, is coming behind the smallest state in Nigeria, Bayelsa. Bayelsa has toppled Ogun State. Ogun State is the poorest state in Nigeria. When they are housing most of the investors, establishments, at Idiroko axis, Sango axis, Abiakuta, Agbara, everywhere. Yet Ogun State has no road because of bad government. Amosu could not give that state good road, well-tarred, third world at least, level, black, tarred road. You can't see it at Abiakuta. You cannot see it at Idiroko. You can't witness anything like that at Sango Ota. And that is where most of the companies in the Lagos area are. Sometimes from Sango, they will come and have their what annex in Lagos. Yes, their sister companies are from Sango, relocated to Lagos, the most industrialized state in Nigeria, where most investors from Western Europe, Far Eastern Asia is Ogun State.
Very correct.
Yet Ogun State could not develop. Yet the governors could not finish sealing a deal with Chinese company to the level that Nigeria has gotten this kind of international embarrassment. Season 3 presidential jet that belongs to FGN and nobody's saying anything.
A national asset.
Ibidako, that his name, Abiodu or Ibikunle with long cap has the mind to be attacking someone like Utomi because Pat Utomi at least gave out a good suggestion. Just like to solve the problem at hand. And Utomi received worst verbal attack of his life.
It's like Utomi was a near victim too.
Yes. Look at the kind of government we have. We're not talking about Chinese coming in because of the money that Tinubu has been borrowing as a borrow monger. and the one borrowed by Buhari in the past. But this time around, we're talking about Ogun State. Ogun State, go there and see poverty. Poverty is stinking in Ogun State. I'm very sorry for the government of that state, because all their water transactions over the years, if we get a good leadership in this country, it's going to hunt Chegu, Abi, Oshoba, the name of the other governor. It's going to hurt Ibidako. It's going to hurt Ibikule. Next government, they will all be hunted down. Okay, these are people that have been embezzling public funds in that state, leaving that state crawling on the faces of development like snail. Snail speed development envelopes Ogun State. Ogun State is not going anywhere. A state that produced Obasanjo as a president, Tai Salarin, the so-called confraternity man, Wole Soyinka, the so-called professor, pastor, vice president, Yemi Ochibanjo, the so-called Obafemi Awolowo, all of them are there. What about Oladipo Diya? What is going on in that state? Okay, IPOB go there. In fact, don't worry. In Ogun State today, IPOB, they vandalized the public fund. Carry go, Naiboma. No, Naiboma and Kosa. Iboma should leave Ogun State too, because they are the one. Ogun State is not developing. Iboma, at night, IPOB will go, enter banks and steal the whole money inside Ogun State Bank. Release spirit that will go and steal Ogun State what? Generated fund in Ogun State. Why is the government they are not working? IPOB. In fact, Obi lead them. Okay, during the protests, Igbo man go there, go steal the whole money. That's why the Ogun State deputy governor, a woman, Ochako Amaka, as yellow as Chelsea Clinton or Hillary Clinton, he's ruling Ogun State. Now he go shine, use cosmetics, sign off public fund, divert it anyhow because the deputy governor. And the governor himself is very fine, handsome man. So no need of doing work there. I can say about the South, here local government, here for local government, the biggest government in Ogun State, overgrown with thick bush, jungle, no development. Follow Ijoko Road. Just navigate a bit from Lagos State into Ogun State. Follow Ijoko Road. You see by yourself what I'm talking about.
But you hardly see such.
If it rains, they use flying boats, ferry, canoe in Ogun State as a means of transportation. No road. Federal road that links Ogun State to Lagos Island, Agege Motor Road. Ogun State government cannot do it. If they do it, that one is not government again. No be Papa Bona. Okay, let me tell you. Chinese government is on a jugular. They are holding Nigeria at a jugular. Nigeria is not going anywhere until they offset. They pay no debt relief this time. Someone is borrowing money crazily like that, you know, sharing it among all his subordinates, assistants, cabinets, ministers. All of them are sharing the money they're borrowing from China. Do you know what they believe? They are going to write their debt off, not knowing that China has never colonized Africa. Colonialism that is coming this time is a new Chino-colonialism is what we are facing now, because China is going to colonize Nigeria. Okay, China will never cross the Enugu State. Okay, we did not borrow money from China. China is not coming to Biafran land. China not cross River Niger, so because we don't borrow money from anybody. We they do our business. We even help China. We are helping China in the Far East. If you go to China today, Igbo man everywhere there, sending their business across Africa, all Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Angola. Igbo man are exporting from China direct to all these Eastern African countries. Okay, we did not beg China for money. We are Igbo men. I don't see the reason why China should come to Onitsha and mess up. From Onitsha Bridge, come to the west, to north. China will inherit it. Oga, Obi did not borrow any money. Obi did not borrow. China did not lend to Obiano. Unless Charles Mba from Kudo, Mugu, Anambra State Mumu governor. Unless Hope Ozodimba. But we must do our research clear to know if they got involved on any borrowing. The only person that is doing something right in the southeast now is Alex Otti. Is doing well. All the allocations, yearly, monthly, going to that state, that young man is making use of it. It's developing Abia State on a very rapid speed. Rapidly. Alex Otti is doing good work in Abia State. And I'm telling you, they are not happy with him. Look at what Carlo of the what? Vice rep. Is he vice deputy speaker? Okay, vice deputy speaker. Yes. He was attacking Alex Otti because Alex Otti is the right man in the southeast. He said Alex Otti will be the last Labour governor in Abia State. God will punish that Carlo. See, anybody that's stopping bad thing is a good man. Anybody that is stopping good thing is a bad man. That Carlo, God will punish his umuna. You see, the very day his father gave birth to him for making that statement on the front page of newspaper, instigating evil, all manner of wrong allegation against Alex Otti, the most righteous governor we have in the southeastern Nigeria, for saying that, cause be the day he, the deputy speaker of lower legislative chamber, House of Rep, was born. On behalf of the Anambra, on behalf of Igbo, I curse Igbos, curse him. He will never see light of the day. The people that are selling Igbos to Fulani, they will never see light of the day. The people that are going into the village, communities in Imo State, breaking into people's house, claiming they are Nigerian military with armored tanks, stealing old mama's money. Destroying people that are celebrating their children God gave them. They will never see the light of the day. God will cut off the light of the sun from illuminating all their compounds one by one. Their homes, their kinsmen will be subjected to what endless doom, endless curse forevermore. The curse they laid on their children as a result of what they did to Igbo man in 1967 till 1970, they have not been at least satisfied. They are not satisfied with that. It is not enough for them. More curses are coming, going after them one by one. The Fulani soldiers infiltrating Nigerian military. As a result of that infiltration, that's why they go into the southeast, putting all manner of military camouflage, killing Igbos, killing youths, innocent children, ransacking communities, ransacking villages, stealing money, harvesting innocent youths, their organs. Organ, it will never be well with Brutai. It will never be well with anybody that is chief of army staff, that is busy sending Nigerian soldiers to go and kill Igbo man in the southeast. It shall never be well with that person. His children, his families, his kinsmen, and his job. It shall never be well with them. Cast are the days they were all came to this earth, as in their mother giving birth to them. On behalf of Igbo, I curse all of them.